Hey guys, this is Mehdi at Choosing Options. This is a follow-up on an earlier video that we put out on, I believe it was May 23rd on MYL. And today we closed it at 18 cents, which was 65% profit. If you remember, we put on that Strangle for 51 cents. And today, um, yeah, it went down to 18. Here is the trade. It's as Gambit is between 14, 22, but closed me around 18. So 51 cents. We made where is it? 51 minus 18. 33 cents a contract. I think I don't know, 4 or 5 contracts I had. Anyways, but when you do the math, it's about 65%. So not bad for 26 days to be exact. In 26 days, 65%. So I just wanted to show you how this works. Uh, on the other video, EWWs, let me see where we at. We had in about 48 cents, and it's around 20 to 24. That was put on May 25th. Um, yeah, it's if it goes on to 17, it's going to take me out. So wish me luck another couple of days. If it goes out, I'll put out another video showing you that this one went out too. Earlier, a few days ago, I put out another video. I think it was Johnson and Johnson. This guy, it's trading between 1 and 12, 105 and 112. It looks like we're a few cents ahead. So it was about 118, and we're ahead on this one too. So but this one's going to take I don't know, another couple of weeks to go. But I keep you guys posted. If you have any questions, like this video, subscribe, send me a message, however you like to do this. Um, the original video was May 23rd, uh, uh, like 26 days ago on MYL right here. Um, that's about it. What else wanted to say? Just, keep on trading. Do it all in your paper account. If you have any questions, let me know. Happy trading.